Hi, so in this video, let's go through setting up Google Analytics with its new Google Analytics 4. However, we want to get a UA code, so like the old version. Now, the new version does lots of other tracking and everything like that, so it's really important that you do use it. But I'm going to show you how to get your UA code for if you want to put it into a different integration or something like that you have, which could be like a landing page builder or other such things that'll track your funnel and all those sorts of things. Okay, so let's go down here to admin, and we'll go over here and we'll create a property. Okay, so we've already got an account. If you haven't got an account, just go through setting one of those up. It's nice and easy. But you can create a property, and this property name is called Nano Coatings, if I spell it right, Australia. I put IUS. Okay, reporting time zone. We want that reporting time zone in New Zealand because I live in New Zealand. Okay, but the currency, I want to put that in Australian dollars. Right, now just this little tab here, or this little link here, show advanced options. Click on that, and this is where it says create a universal analytics property. This is the old Google Analytics that we knew. We remember we had a UA number, and the UA number stands for Universal Analytics. So if I turn that on now and we type this in, always should be HTTPS, because at the end of the day, every website now should have an SSL certificate. And I don't use the www version, so we go nanocoatings.com.au. Okay, now this here, you can create a universal analytics property only, just like the old school version. But you're limiting some of the stuff like that. They're going to die soon. Okay, and we don't know when. But you're limiting the amount of interactions that Google's really doing lots of work on, because hey, at the end of the day, the Universal Analytics has been around since analytics started, and the websites have, and what we're tracking on our websites is it has evolved so much. Okay, so they've really set up this Google Analytics 4 to work with the stuff that we're doing now and the stuff in the future. But that doesn't help it when plugins and bits and pieces like that don't support that yet. Okay, there's a lot of them that still will only support the UA code, and so you have to create that. So we'll just go down here. I'm going to create both, and we're just going to hit next. Okay, we're only small. What's our industry category? I'm just going to put it down as business and industrial, and go through and tick all of these except the last one. Create. Okay, so that's it. It's created, nice and easy. Okay, so it's like, so where do we find the UA number, I hear you ask? So it's all down to tags, your Google Tag Manager, all that sort of stuff. And we want to, what it did is it set up a UA number for us. Here we go, which is a tag. Okay, so we can go through there now, and there we are. There's our UA code. That we can put into our different integrations and bits and pieces like that. Okay, I hope that helps things, and you can go through and you can here's your site tag, but this is the new Google Analytics 4 site tag, but that doesn't matter. You can use both because they're connected. Okay. Sweet as. So yeah, if you got any other queries or anything like that, hit us up, and if I know anything about it, I'll make a video about it. Cool. Talk to you soon. Bye.